Hello students, today's topic in C++ is dot and arrow mark operator along with new operator in C++. As you know, actually every C++ program has got a class and a main function, and whatever you write within these classes, within this class called student, they are not available to the main section except when it is written in public. Now let's say this is instead of a student, this is actually a class of a father. Now inside this, the way I call this is like, let's say he has got some age, integer age, some integer marks, etc. Let's say. Now here in this section, let's say we are defining a function called set, that is void set. Then we can pass in integer age and integer, let's say, marks, and you are defining, let's say, age is equal to a and marks is equal to m, something like that. You have initialized it. Now in order to use this, actually in the main, you know that actually there are two different ways of doing. One is using the dot convention of the object, other is using the arrow mark convention. What is the difference? Let's say father f we have created. And one of the ways of accessing this object f is to use f dot set. You can pass in whatever numbers you want. Now the other way to do this is actually using new operator, that is father is equal to father, here you have to say is equal to new father. Now this will be a pointer, let's say father star p. Okay, there is a space here, so you can say is father star p. Now the p can be initialized as f, so that both objects are now same. Now in order to do the same function, we have to use an arrow mark p dot set, arrow mark set 10 20. So this is the way you access through the pointer. So the new is the operator which is used to create a pointer. So now we have f object, other object which is pointed out by pointer p, and you have the information about the age inside. So now both become same because we have initialized p is equal to ampersand f. So let's practically see how this is done. So we take a standard example. You look at the program. There is these two lines, as I said, it is required for any C++ program. I am creating a father class in which I have age also, income also, marks also, three variables. And let's say I have two functions, void set and void get. Set is to set, let's say, age and income, like you are passing these two arguments. Get is basically to display age and income and marks from the variables which you are defined here. And this is a constructor to initialize initial time, but if you are passing with the constructor with arguments, then you will have some arguments here, otherwise no. So now you have in polymorphism we have discussed, you can have functions of same name but different arguments. which has got different meanings. So same way, same thing, you can see that the set function can be with the 2 arguments or 3 arguments. In the father, let us say father f, this is one way of doing. The other method is doing father star ptr is equal to new father. Both are same thing you are doing. Here it's using a pointer. Here I can say f dot set. I can set the age and something. And so the moment I say f dot set, it will go and it will come here matching arguments. 2 arguments are there. It will initialize the age and income. See, same thing, you are making the ptr is equal to ampersand f. That means both the objects are now made similar. Now you are use ptr auto set. It is same like here, and here also it is same like here. No difference. Okay, then this is all about dot and pointer and new operator. Thank you. See you in the next video.